What is the full story of RBCs, right? Let's revise. So in RBCs, 90% of the glucose will enter into normal glycolysis to give 2 ATPs per glucose, right? But 10% glucose will go into RL shunt, where the purpose is not ATP formation. So ATP formation is 0. Instead, the purpose is formation of this compound 2,3-BPG. What is the purpose of this compound 2,3-BPG? It helps in release of oxygen from hemoglobin A, right? So it helps in release of oxygen, right? So can I say that number of ATP in RBC from glycolysis can never be more than 2, be it any situation, even if it is aerobic situation. In fact, it is always aerobic situation in RBCs because they are carrying oxygen for whole body, right? So be it any situation, number of ATPs can never be more than 2, but it can be less than 2 if it is RL shunt, right?